Boy, take those out of my ears so that I can actually do this. What is up, everybody? Welcome to this random vlog episode 14. It is good to see all of you. I hope you are all having a fantastic day wherever you are watching this from. So, okay, I have a confession to make. I may not have done as good a job as I meant to recording the videos for this vlog. Let me explain what happened. As I was editing this vlog together and looking back at the footage that I shot on my third day in London, I kind of noticed a small problem. I had all these bits and pieces from places that I'd been throughout the day. Tower of London, the Old Bank of England, Buckingham Palace, and on the tube and all this is that. And it was kind of like, this is cool and that's cool and all this is cool, but they weren't gelling together into a cohesive narrative or like a through line that would carry you from place to place to place to place. And so as I've been editing this, I've been kind of like pulling and tugging at the ends of my hairs going like, how the hell am I gonna turn this into a vlog that anybody's gonna find entertaining? And I came up with a solution. I'm just gonna do a small highlight video right at the beginning of this vlog, and then we're gonna go right into Norway because there's so much Norway footage. There is I shot so much footage in Norway that I just kind of want to get to it and show it to you. And I think you guys will like it so much more than me trying to struggle to find a way to explain and show you all this stuff that I shot on the last day in the UK. So that's what I'm gonna do. Recap on our last day in London. We went to the Tower of London. We were on the Thames. We went to Tower Bridge. We went to Buckingham Palace. I went on the tube. I walked around London a bit, and then we headed to Southampton. We got on the ship. And that, my friends, is where we're gonna pick up this video right now, arriving at Southampton to get on the Royal Caribbean Explorer of the Seas and start our trip to the beautiful, wonderful, glorious fjords of Norway. That's the sound of the wind in the fjord. I don't know. I don't have a huge budget for this stuff. Assume it's fjords, Norway. Let's go. We made it. We're here. And there's the ship. Can't see it from here, but I'll definitely get video of it at some point. That's different. I'm with them, yes. Onto the ship we go. How do you feel, Mom?
Tired.
All aboard.
I remember putting the passports in my bag.
Oh no. Wow. It's a ship, all right. Oh boy. How'd you like one of those inside cabins on deck 4? I know, yeah.
We've actually traveled on those when we were young.
Then we had the Frank Sinatra suite below the street in Las Vegas.
Well, that I do.
Really cool.
Oh boy.
I did it my way. Well, I didn't do it his way.
There's something interesting when I'm at a loss for words because of this man, my father. It's a little chilly. Time to check in.
Yeah.
All right, time to find the room. Here it is. The Aruba Suites. They know us so well. What is this? We've got you covered. Your stateroom attendant will stop by this afternoon. Let's check it out. It works. We're supposed to be here. Hello. What?
Okay.
Wow.
It's a little bit of okay.
What? This is a lot of bit of okay.
Everybody happy?
Whoa! Look at the balcony. Not that we'll be out outside much because it'll be cold, but. Wow! Where am I? Oh, look at the bathroom, guys. Where's the, how? Oh, okay. The switch for the bathroom is over here. These two tiny switches over here.
Look at this.
This bathroom is beautiful.
There's a bidet.
Oh my God, there is a bidet.
Or it's a tiny toilet for bathing a little kid.
Huh?
This is really beautiful.
And look at the shower in here. This is a nice shower too. This is unbelievable. Oh God, we have enough Evian for 2 cruises, Mom. Guys, this is nice, right? Wow, that's really much more impressive than anything on NCL. Really pretty ship. Exciting, it's exciting. It's really exciting. Well, on the pool deck, and I will say, it might be a tad bit cold to be at the pool today with not a lot of sun. We are underway. All right, everything's in the room, bags are unpacked, and the boat is turning out of dock. We have sunlight out of nowhere. I'm up on the highest deck of the ship. We're just pulling away from Southampton, and we've got beautiful sunshine and blue skies. I mean, it was completely gray up here an hour ago. Unbelievable. A half bad morning, huh? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So, we have made it to beautiful Norway, Bergen. We are here. Look at that. I'm glad I was wearing these. Holy mackerel. Oh, the sailboat. Oh. Apparently there's a sailboat that's about 1/1000th the size of our ship. That's just like chilling in front of the boat, and the boat was like, hey dude, time to move.
That's a lie.
I'm gonna see if I can get to the other platform before we go under the bridge. I may have timed this out poorly. Going underneath it. How crazy is that? Look at it this way. Oh, so cool. So the top of the ship just about makes it underneath the top of the bridge. You guys up there just like checking to make sure it gets underneath. That's so freaking wild. I love it. I think that's where we're going. We're over there. Nice to see some sunshine. Awesome. What a beautiful day. Alright, time to get swiped. Thank you. Out we go. Excellent. So we've now reached Fløibanen, which is we're hoping is the funicular up to the top of the mountain. Hopefully we're in the right place. I have no idea. I would love to be right. That would make me very happy. No guarantees.
thing is awesome. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Ah, that was fun. Check out the view from up here. This is awesome. I feel like we've been hitting a lot of high points on this trip. Ha, ha, I'll see myself out. Apparently New York is 5,000 plus kilometers that way. Unfortunately, we got other places to go, so we gotta head back down. We're back down on the ground safe and sound. Well, it looks like we beat the crowds. I kind of want to say to everybody, it's worth the wait. But it is worth the wait because the view up there is really nice. I knew she was going to do that. Oh, and it keeps going.
Oh, goodness.
So we're on the boat. We're about to do the fjord sightseeing tour, and it's raining like crazy. I'm about to get my camera very wet. Okay. Gotta hold on to the camera really tight. How cool is this? It's a lovely day. How you dealing with this, Mom? Up we go. This is a bad idea. What am I doing here? Why am I doing this to myself? All that's gonna happen is I'm gonna get the dead cat wet. You can't do that for very long because it's so windy at the front because of how fast the dip is going. I'm going back downstairs. Oh my God. So we've slowed down, but I think the rain has picked up. And we're going into another part of this fjord, so that should be interesting. I don't know where we're going next, but hopefully it's at this same speed. He is going to turn at some point, right? Because there isn't enough rain. I now need to get waterfall on. Is this really necessary? This is nuts. He's got they're catching water from the waterfall in the bucket. That is completely nuts. Completely insane. Oh, thank Water straight from the waterfall. Oh, and it's wonderful. Absolutely delicious.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this vlog. I want to thank you guys for watching. Again, apologies for the sort of jarring nature of how this one went. The remaining videos in the Norway series should be a little bit smoother from here on out because I'm very confident about the footage that I shot and the remaining ports on the Norway trip. And when we get through the Norway videos, I will be doing sort of a summary video of thoughts on cruising in general. I've been on a couple of cruises now. I think I have some thoughts that might be useful information for people out there who are interested in doing a cruise in the near future, either to Norway or other ports of call. So that's going to do it for me. I will see you guys in the next random vlog. Until then, have a wonderful day, evening, weekend, weekday, whatever day you're watching this video in the past, present, or future. I will see you guys in the next video. And until then, be good to each other, stay safe, everybody, and peace out. See ya. Bye.